Solving radical equations. This quiz question asks us to find the solution of 5 times the square root of x plus 7 equals negative 10 and determine if it is an extraneous solution. Okay, so notice the 5. The 5 is the same size as the x and the 7. So notice that's different than this little 5, which is a part of the radical. Okay, so this one just means that's not the radical. It means 5 times the answer to the square root of x plus 7 is equal to negative 10. Okay, so the first step to solve this equation is to isolate x. To isolate x, we get rid of the times 5. So divided by 5, what you do to one side, you do to the other. This cancels out. So next, we're left with square root of x plus 7 is equal to negative 2. Okay, and the next step is the inverse of square root, and the inverse of square root is squared. Okay, what you do to one side, you do to the other. Make sure you put in parentheses because the negative 2 is being squared. Okay, not the 2. The whole thing is being squared. So opposites cancel out. X plus 7 is equal to 4 and minus 7 from both sides. And we have x equals negative 3. Okay, so that's the answer. X equals, that's the solution. Okay, that's the solution. But is it a working solution, right? If it's not, then we call that extraneous. Okay, so let's figure it out. Let's plug it back in to our equation and see if it works. 5 times the square root of negative 3 plus 7, is that equal to negative 10? So we evaluate, so 5 times square root of 4, does that equal negative 10? Square root of 4 is equal to 2, so 5 times 2, is that equal to negative 10? No, it doesn't. Okay, and since if it doesn't, it is extraneous, so it's choice A. Okay, so later on we're gonna review this and go over this, but for now, just when you square root of 4, we're just gonna take the positive of it. Okay, so just for this lesson, just realize that. All right, thanks.